My name is Josh Howell. I'm the lead machinist at GMB Corporation. I've been at GMB for about 10 years. Today we're going to talk about how we make parts at GMB. Our capabilities here at GMB are very versatile. We can make parts from 3 inches to 13 feet in diameter, from 40 ounces to 40,000 pounds. We have multiple horizontal boring machines, full rotary axes, 10,000 RPM spindles. There's not a lot we can't do. We program, set up, and run our own parts. We inspect our own parts. The quality of work that we manufacture at GMB is bar none. We strive for excellence on everything we do, and we try to make perfect parts. The most challenging job that we've ever done here at GMB, that I've ever done, was about 40,000 pounds, and it barely cleared the crane, and it dwarfs the machine behind me. The type of work we do at GMB changes the world. Everything from science to military applications to medical devices. Like I said before, there's not much we can't do. We start with raw material, we weld it together, we machine it, we detail it, we assemble it, and then we ship it. Parallel, flatness, threaded holes, O-ring grooves, all those specifications have to be to print for us to achieve our goals.